Well, hello guys. My parcel has arrived from wistuba. I think it's time to open it. Oh, let's get my knife. Oh, let's see what's inside. As far as I know, it's 3 plants. It's a rather big box for 3 plants. So, this, oh, of course they're individually wrapped. This is hard work with one hand, I gotta be honest. Hard work, but worth it. Oh wow, look at that. That'll be nepenthes muluensis. It's a nice size as well, look at that. Wow. I am impressed. Oh, it's wicked. Backlighting really sucks. Bear with me, I'll open the curtains. Shut the curtains. That's a bit better. Righty then. Look, lovely, lovely plant. Wicked. See what the next ones are like. Oh wow. That is nepenthes raja. And wow, looks like there's 2 plants in there. Huh, there is as well. Oh, wicked. There's 3 plants. I got 3 nepenthes raja in one pot. 1, 2, 3. There may even be 4 in there. You can see that one plain. But if you look right down there in the middle, if it focuses, you can see another little tendril popping out just in between where the light spot is. Ah, lovely pictures on that as well. And this one here, I know what this one's going to be because I ordered them, but I'm not going to say just yet. This one here is nepenthes tentaculata, one of my favourites. Oh, it's a minute little one. But again, it's 2 plants again. There's another tiny little one. I don't know if you can see it. Right down by the label, there's a little duddy little one down there. Can you see it? I can. Oh, wicked. So I've had some really nice plants. The only one that hasn't had more than 1 plant in it is Mr. Muluensis. And even then, I'm not really that sure now. Oh, wicked. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go up to the farm where the greenhouse is, and I'll video myself potting them up. Okie dokie, catch you in a bit. Here we are, another update. Sorry I didn't get back to showing you me potting up my new nepenthes, the ones I had from wistuba. The thing is, I haven't been getting up to the greenhouse until late in the day, and it's been getting dark by the time I've done all my chores and everything. It's been too late. So yeah, here I am, gonna give you another update. Got a lovely spatulata picture coming through over there. Another ventricosa by a hamata picture. I had a new plant in the post today, which is nepenthes lowii. Where are you? There you are. It's a very small plant, but it's got a lovely leaf jump on it, and it looks healthy. And it could be a macrophylla hybrid. So, because it's seed grown, yeah, it should be an interesting one to watch grow up. I've had a few plants since I made my last video. Let's see, what have I got here? I've got nepenthes jacqueline. It's a small plant, but it should recover. Nepenthes burbigiae bicampanulata. It's looking nice, it's got a lovely green leaf come out on it. I've got spatulata by jacqueline. Looks really nice. I can't wait for that one to grow up. It should have really flared peristome, because it is a Borneo Exotics cross. I've had, what else have I had? Oh yeah, I've had nepenthes muluensis from Wistuba in Germany, along with tentaculata. It's a bit of a small one, but it's very healthy. And I got nepenthes raja, and it has about 4 growing points on it. It's yeah, I don't know how that one's going to pan out, whether one will survive or they'll all grow into new shoots, or I don't know. Hit me up in the comments and let me know, because I really don't know. I mean, if the growth points are going to die and one is going to survive, it's going to be a bit of a bugger. But I suppose I'll still have my Raja. It's the Kinabalu form. I've had a couple of nepenthes Gaia. See if I can get a picture of the traps for you. Lovely coloured traps on it. The same with this one. It's got some lovely big traps on it. I had some Mexican pings in the post today as well, where I down there. A cross between Medusina and Gigantea. So hopefully they'll get pretty big. I got 2. I've got another one over here. Slightly smaller. But yeah, I'm sure they'll grow. Wicked. What else have I got to show you? I've got nepenthes paloenensis. Just starting to send out a new leaf. Oh, misting system's gone off. Bear with me. I'm trying to keep the greenhouse at 85% humidity. So, yeah. I got a couple of plants which I'm going to put in hanging baskets. I got a lovely asparagus fern there, which has sent out new fronds since I had it. I know it's not very carnivorous, but yeah. My Drosera regia is in here, catching loads of gnats, which is good. Yeah, it's getting a bit foggy. It's gone off now. What else have I got to show? Oh, lovely new sanguinea picture. It's got a lovely white inside. My nepenthes suki is growing like mad. It's oh, the light's gone a bit crap now. Yeah, it's got 2 lovely shoots popping out on it. Oh, where are we? I've got Drosera andromeda. Look at all the flies on it. It's a magnet for fungus gnats. They just love it. And the plant is thriving for it as well. I got my big Drosera adelae here, which is pushing on about, I'd say 6 inches across now. It's really big. It's looking good. I got a Drosera prolifera. That's caught a few fungus gnats as well. It's settling in nicely into the atmosphere. Yeah, and I think apart from that, it's about it. Sibionensis is growing really fast. It's hitting the edge of the pot now. My Spectabilis put out a new picture. Look at that lovely picture. It's got another one forming there. Oh, I'm chuffed with this nepenthes lowii, though. I've wanted lowii for years. And I managed to get one seed grown. Yes! A new picture opened on my Helianthera minor. That's good, because I repotted them all. I separated all the plants. So yeah, my Helianthera exapendiculata has got 2 new leaves coming out on it. It's going to be a very nice hybrid, I think. So yeah, I think that about sums it up. Showed you all my new plants, and yeah, I hope everyone has a good day. Please like and subscribe. I've got more plants coming every week. I've got 2 new plants coming tomorrow, so they'll be recorded as well. Oh, sorry, no, I've got 3 plants coming tomorrow. So yeah, I'll have three plants to show you tomorrow. And yeah, please subscribe, because I've got more content coming. Well, this week it's going to be a few times in the week. Brilliant. Finish off with a picture of my Campanulata cross with Spatulata. I love that picture. Anyway, please subscribe. See you later. Have a good day. Ta-da.